Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken vegetable salad step by step. Gather cooked chicken, mixed greens, bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Chop vegetables into bite-sized pieces and shred or cube chicken. Prepare dressing by whisking olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until emulsified. Taste and adjust seasoning. Keep tools ready: a large bowl, sharp knife, cutting board, and measuring spoons. In this video, I will show how to make chicken vegetable salad step by step. Start by seasoning chicken lightly and cooking by pan-searing, baking, or grilling until 165 degrees F internally. Let chicken rest 5 to 10 minutes to retain juices, then slice or shred. While chicken rests, wash and dry greens and chop vegetables uniformly. Preparing ingredients ahead makes assembly quick and keeps flavors bright and balanced for tasting. In this video, I will show how to make chicken vegetable salad step by step. Quick recommendation: keep your kitchen clean effortlessly with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation so crumbs never slow you down. It's a small time saver that makes meal cleanup almost fun. If you like this tip, subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken vegetable salad step by step. Add dressing to greens first and toss gently to coat each leaf without wilting. Layer vegetables and place chicken on top, then sprinkle feta or toasted nuts for texture and flavor contrast. Taste and adjust salt or lemon as needed. Serve immediately for optimal crunch, or cover and chill briefly if making ahead for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.